Are you tired of struggling with traditional car jacks? If so, you're in luck. In this video, we will introduce you to 3 game-changing car jack ideas that will revolutionize the way you lift your vehicle. Let's get started. Introducing the Triple Treat Car Jack Showcase that will revolutionize the way you lift your car and handle tire changes. First up, we have the 1/2 inches Scissor Jack Drill Adapter. The adapter is a convenient tool designed to make lifting vehicles with a scissor jack faster and more efficient. It easily attaches to your power drill, allowing you to raise and lower your scissor jack with minimal effort. Next, we have the Jack Ratchet Wrench for Scissor Jack. It is a useful tool designed to make lifting vehicles with a scissor jack more efficient and user-friendly. The ratchet replaces the traditional scissor jack handle with a ratchet wrench, allowing for easier and faster raising and lowering of the jack. And the third treat is the 12-volt car motorized scissor jack. The 12-volt electric car jack is an electric-powered lifting device designed for easy and efficient lifting of vehicles. It operates on a 12-volt power source, typically connected to your car's cigarette lighter socket. Key features include a compact design, compatibility with various vehicle types, and effortless operation for vehicle maintenance tasks. Up next is the demonstration part. I will demonstrate all of the triple treats in the same order as reviewed. Enjoy the time lapse. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the demonstration time-lapse. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make your vehicle maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. As I wrap up our review of these 3 car jack ideas, I highly recommend checking them out for yourself. I've included links to each of the car jacks in the description box below, so you can easily find and purchase the one that best suits your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews and ideas. Happy lifting!